So I got a nice package in the mail the other day. Got some new Gemfan 51433s. So 5.1 by 4.33. Yeah, we'll go with that. I've been sticking with the HQProp, either the S3s or the S4s, and I'm very happy with them. But one, for $1 per pack, well, I couldn't turn away from them. Stand over here for a minute. You know, it's one of the warmer days we've had, but the wind is blowing because of the warm weather blowing in, and my hands are still getting cold. So they feel interesting. They definitely feel different than the HQProps. I mean, you would kind of expect that. I mean, the pitches are different, so I mean, I'm gonna see how many more times I can say I mean. But they do feel good. They have a responsiveness, but an even responsiveness all the way across the throttle band. A little bit less punch down bottom, but it definitely carries up through. So I guess I'll just keep burning some of these for the next couple days and see how they grow on me.